Hello, everybody, and welcome back. The invention of the internet, Google's search engine, or the development of the smartphone. Innovations change the world. In terms of capital markets, technology companies in particular have generated above average returns in recent years. So today we talk to Julian Kauffeldt, Head of Innovation and Investment Products at Serafin Asset Management, about the role of innovation in investing. A warm welcome, Julian.
Thank you very much. And happy to be here.
Julian, you are mentioning a fund that focuses on innovation, and everyone is thinking about the next smartphone. But what exactly are innovations for you?
Yeah, to be honest, we have a very broad view on innovation. For us, innovation is everything which is new, creates additional value for the customer, and has successfully been implemented. It can be new car, a new smartphone. That means some kind of physical product. But it can be as well a new service. It means, for example, a new risk management service which you offer to your customers. It can be a new process. It means a new way of producing your goods, for example. Or it can be even a new business model. That means a new way of earning money with your products, with your services, by using your processes.
How is the rising inflation and higher borrowing costs affecting the potential of innovative companies and innovations in Europe?
That's a good question. And of course, we have a detailed look into the rising inflation here in Europe. We see the rising inflation as a challenge and as an opportunity for companies. That means, of course, there are challenging parts, for example, the higher costs for the own debts, which are especially for some tech companies a high risk due to their higher costs. They need more money for their debts. Therefore, they have less money for investing in R&D. That's the reason why we look mainly on companies being profitable and having not too high debts. And on the other hand, the inflation can be an opportunity as well, meaning that there's a high pressure for companies becoming more efficient. That's good for innovation. That's starting point for a certain innovation. That's the reason why we still focus on innovation.
In which European countries and sectors do you find innovative companies for your mutual fund?
Yeah, we try to identify innovators across industries and across countries. Of course, there are some industries and some countries where we have a bias. Country-wise, we see a high innovation-friendly atmosphere in the German-speaking countries like Switzerland and Germany. Switzerland, for example, we have a very strong focus on the pharma market, strong companies in this area. In Germany, we have a huge tradition of engineering. Therefore, we have lots of innovations within this field. On the other hand, we see a strong focus on the Nordics, for example, in Europe and on the UK, due to the fact that we have there lots of companies being young, being old, having a strong focus on innovative products and processes. And concerning the sectors, of course, we have a bias towards technology or healthcare, but we try to identify innovators as well in the energy market, food market, materials market, and so on, where the process innovation is more in focus.
You are using a big data approach to find innovative companies that have the potential to change an industry. So how exactly does that work?
We developed our own approach to measure the innovation efficiency of companies. That means we compare the so-called innovation inputs, like the R&D budget of a certain company, and compare it with the innovation outputs, the result of the innovation process. For example, the EBIT generated by new products. We have a look on patterns as well, but only as one figure out of several figures. And as a result, we get a score, so-called innovation efficiency score, for every company within our universe. And based on this score, we are able to rank these companies, then focus on the best ones, best 50, best 60 ones normally, and have there a deeper look, more detailed look into the innovation pipeline and innovation activities.
Big tech companies had a run, especially in 2020 and 2021. So what were the outperformance drivers and factors for your portfolio?
These years have been very, very good for our portfolio and the performance of our innovators. I think one reason was that the COVID pandemic, really accelerated the need for innovation, accelerated the digitalization across nearly all industries. And due to the fact that we have a focus, a bias towards innovation, that we already had lots of innovation leaders within our portfolios, we have been able to benefit from this situation and have been able to show very good performance within these years. But of course, our strategy is focused on a long-term success. That means innovation is not only focused on certain years. We think that innovators will be successfully over years.
So nowadays, everybody's talking about AI and machine learning. So how do you perceive generative AI projects like ChatGPT from your innovations lens? And is there an opportunity for investors, or is it just a hype?
Yeah, these are very interesting trends and developments for us. We have a detailed look on that and on AI in general. We think that lots of companies can adapt AI within their processes to achieve a higher automatization, to increase the efficiency of their processes, even if they are not producing the algorithm themselves. They can use it, adapt it within their processes, and gain the benefits out of it. And of course, we have a look into this for our investment process as well. We do not invest in smaller companies and startups being active in the AI area, but we invest in companies that see AI as an opportunity and integrate AI and new AI solutions within their processes to become even more successful.
So this was Dr. Julian Kauffeldt, Head of Innovation Investment Products at Serafin Asset Management. Thank you very much, Julian, for being with us today and sharing your insights into your innovation investment process.
Thank you very much.